Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, quickly and easily, I will show you how to add comments in Figma. So firstly guys, of course, make sure to open the project. I will just open this one. So guys, this is very straightforward. As you can see on the bottom panel, we have here our tools. And in this button, as you can see, which is a comment, you can also press C if you want to quickly do this with a keyboard shortcut, or you can just press on it. And guys, just press C and then click on any part of your project that you desire. Let's say, for example, close to the center. And now, as you can see, this is going to be our comment. And let us type in, for example, needs corrections. And then just press on send. And as you can see, the comment is saved in here. And also, if you hover your mouse over this, as you can see, there's going to be a text inside. Really cool. And also, guys, something cool is that you can actually mention other people in the comments as well, which is handy. But in general, guys, here you go. Hopefully this helps. And if it did, of course, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and click on the notification bell to not miss the new fresh uploads.